say like fruit by the toe.
Do you mean fruit by the foot, Jonah? We're in Aldi. We've had a full day, guys. Gym time, work time, Jonah time, acorn time, fruit by the toe time. Happy Saturday. We are outside soaking in the fresh air. It is about 69 degrees out. It's really pretty. It's sunny. The kids are down there playing. I was like, yeah, try not to go. There you go. Okay, play in the sun. Yeah, so there's like a spring, like a natural spring creek that runs here. Most of it right here is really super muddy, but it goes all the way to the back of our property. So yeah, our landscaper guys saw some snakes back there in the brush. I'm just playing safe. Ellia, what are you doing? No, don't go underneath there. It's all damp and wet. And there's a daddy long leg down there. Today I've just mostly been cleaning, and earlier Brian had like a morning prayer time thing, breakfast thing with his dad and brother. And I put all my clothes away in the closet. Tomorrow we're planning on a pumpkin patch, which I'm excited about because hey, hashtag fall and hashtag Halloween and hashtag fall decor and hashtag cornfields, hashtag corn maze. These children are driving me crazy, guys. We're at Sleepy Hollow Farms and there's a creepy circus over there. And they're banging on the thing and scaring people. Family fun time. What do they call it, Brian? Sunday fun day?
Goodness, look how big the pig is, Ellia. Is that Peppa? Is that Peppa?
Yeah, pig.
Well, yeah, Peppa's a pig. Is that Daddy Pig?
No.
Ooh, let's go see this little brown one. Oh, look at it. He came over to visit. Or beg for food.
I'm petting his thorns.
Watch out what you pick up though, because...
Can we pick her up for you?
So you can pet her. Oh.
You want to pet it?
Look at that.
Ellia, you
my
want
God.
that?
Jonah,
don't
his
pet
name
him.
isn't Chicken. He may take offense to that.
Yeah, they're
Let
not,
him come out. I think he wants to come out.
Yeah, leave him alone. That's
Ew.
not like the other ones.
Ew.
Yeah, see how he's getting puffy? Baby.
Yeah, look at his, like, he's got like a makeup fiasco going on or something.
A what?
A makeup fiasco going on with it hanging. Ew, that's so gross.
Yeah, it's kind of grossing me out.
Oh yeah, you drank a bunch.
Look at this guy. He wants to hang out with us.
Hello.
Don't chase him.
Someone was eating the phrase off my shorts.
Hey,
I
that
think it was him. I was like, oh, you're helping me get the phrase.
Oh.
More?
Hands out.
They just do.
That's all she wanted to do was to feed him. Oh, I like that one. That black and white one.
God, he was like, he's bossy.
Good Lord. Oh my God, they found the jackpot.
You're like, no, give me the cup. That's what
Oh.
I want.
Yeah, they're trying to knock it out of your hand.
Oh, that little one's so.
Jonah, I think this is Jonah's first actual good corn maze. Right here. Jonah, don't do that. Is this fun?
We're almost here. We're almost there.
I'm gonna try it.
Which way?
Yeah, I'm gonna try this way. Come on, Jonah. Let's go down this way. Ooh, it's so creepy. Are we going around the wrong way? Are we? Ugh. Dang it.
The right way.